So, hello friends, and again welcome back to my channel. So, friends, here in my channel, I bring a new website to you that's named trxcft.com. So, friends, I will give the total info about this website. How can you deposit your money? How can you withdraw your money? So, first of all, if you are new in my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification about my new coming video and comment in the comment section. So, friends, without wasting our time, we will start our video. So when you get the registration link of this website from my description, you can get invitation code here. You can paste your email address, login password, security password, and click on the sign up button. I already registered this website. That's why I click on the sign in button. As you can see, you will successfully sign in this website. So friends, as you can see here, you can get 10,000 TRX reward in this website. That is your total balance here. The deposit, withdrawal, share, team app, and logout option. Click on the deposit button. As you can see here, please don't recharge other TRX access. It will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after recharging. You can copy this address and go to your own wallet. So friend, as you can see here, go to your own wallet. Click on the Tron button, click on the send button, paste your address, and 10 TRX is continue from here. As you can see, whenever 10 TRX is depositing from here, then I tell you how can you withdraw your money. So friend, as you can see here, our 10 TRX is depositing from here. So come back to our website and now click on the recharge completed button. So as you can see, submitted successfully. So you can see here you have two wallet account and promotion account. In wallet account, you can see all over the money that present in your website. And in promotion account, when your friend joined this website from your referral link, you can get rewarded money in your promotion account. Join to Witron Millennial, use cloud money and DFI technology to ensure that Aliza get the most TRX in you. Click details button to get all information about it. Here the platform that is display in which accumulated profit and membership are present. You can see here about us, we are at our best. Cloud mining offers a potentially cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies at the same time. Both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in the blockchain transaction with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income like insurance. So here are some global partners of this website, in which Xerox, Coinbase, and Mining, Coinbase, Bitcoin, Binance are included. Now we are going to trading, and you can see here we can get plus 8% daily profit. Here that we already you can click on the VL button to get all information about it. Now click on the invest button. As you can see here the base and rebate level, deposit quantity, income, and daily withdrawal. When you can invest in this website, you can deposit and withdraw your money. You can get all the list here in base and rebate. So now click on the share button. Here your referral link. You can copy this link and send to your friend and family. When your friend and family join this website from your referral link, you can get rewarded money in your promotion account. So why are you waiting, guys? Go and send to your friend and family and earn more money. So now we are going to mine, and you can see here the deposit and withdrawal button. Recharge any number of TRX to activate the account and open the withdrawal function. Here the team, finance, record, transfer to basic, share notification, logout, modify login password, modify security password, and set Google Authenticator. So click on the team button. As you can see here the level 1 account and join time. Then you can invest in this website. You can get a commission in this website. You can get account name and join time, all the list here. Now click on the finance record. As you can see here the date and amount. You can get all the list here when you can invest and deposit and withdraw your money. So now click on the transfer to basic button. You can transfer your money from basic account to promotion account. So here the share notification logout option. So click on the deposit. As you can see, whenever deposit is complete, now I tell you how can you withdraw your money. So friend, as you can see here, our deposit is complete. Now click on the withdrawal button. As you can see here, paste your daily withdrawal limit, that is 0.45. Now paste your Tron address and your security password and click on the confirm button. As you can see, so friend, as you can see here, we will successfully withdraw our money in this website. So as you can see, this is the most profitable website. So join this website and earn your money more and more. We will meet in a new video. So take care of yourself.